Like YouTube, you better do. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This is the Tonor T20. This is one of their newer mic arms, and we're going to put it on my Yeti. And I just want to show you what's in the box. Then I'll probably switch over to the Yeti microphone after I get it installed. In basic installation for these are very simple. This one has the filter that I currently don't have on my current mic arm, but this just brings that extra filter to it. So this is something that you get. It's going to be pretty cool. And then I also get looks like a little mic there. And did they send a full mic? Let's check it out and see. So you got the adapters and everything. This is a nice little toner. These little tabs here to help keep the cords together. Let's see here. Let's just put that right there. This is for the Yeti mic. And you've got a very large branding there from Tonor. And this is a different kind of mic arm than I have right now. This one's a lot bigger. I mean, this is a huge clamp, which is what you would want. And then just the arm is in here. I thought they had sent over like an extra mic or something too. I'm like, whoa, I don't need a mic. I got a Yeti. All right. There we go. They just have the pop filter there, so let's just rip this here. And there we go. So ultimately you have the mic arm. This is the adapter you need to hook it up to the Yeti, to make your Yeti work with it. This right here though is definitely better than my current arm. Because my current arm, I had to make some serious adjustments to my desk, and also it's not as strong and as stable as this. So we'll get that set up as well. This is where you twist it in for your Yeti, and this is where you sit it in down here. So let's get this installed, man, and then I'll show you what it's like, and then I'll probably switch over to the Yeti, I guess. Let's do it. Now, as I was doing the installation or taking apart my other arm, you can see here, my arm is, I bought this from Best Buy. It's just a little cheap little knockoff, but look at the difference in the clamp. I can put this arm from Tonor, or this clamp from Tonor, pretty much anywhere, and it's a lot more sturdy. So I'll be able to slide it in farther, get a much better grip, and there it is, man. Look at the difference in what I'm upgrading from. That's a huge upgrade. I mean, this thing, I had to make some cuts in my desk in order to get this to work. So this will get tossed, and obviously I'll put the Tonor on, but I wanted to show you the difference in the nice huge clamp that they give you. I mean, just look at that. That's night and day. That's a huge clamp, and then they also give you a 2-year warranty. So this is a huge upgrade. I'm gonna get the YetiX hooked up, and then we'll show you what it sounds like, or the new setup. All right, guys, so here is the setup now. If I was going to do a really good podcast or something like that, I've got the filter on here. I even got the microphone, let me just tilt it for you here. I've even got the microphone set up right here. So if I'm in the studio, like YouTube, you better do. I'm just kidding. But there it is, man. This is a very nice setup here, the Tonor T20, and it's nice, man. I mean, the clamp is way more stable than I could ever hope for. This little clamp I had right here was just hideous, and I paid $20 for this entire the previous microphone setup at Best Buy. I didn't get it free, but I bought it because I had some coupons or whatever. But this clamp, I didn't like this clamp to begin with, so. Shout out to them for sending this over. I really appreciate it. I mean, I can definitely probably use the arm and do another setup or something like that. Use the other arm to have a camera connected to it. Who knows? I got a new setup coming, so I got some other things that I'm getting ready to change, and maybe I'll use the second arm for the camera. so I don't have to rig up my camera the way I have it set up now. You have no idea. But the thing is, this is about a nice mic arm and the front filter and the wind filter for the YetiX, and I think I like it, man. It really helps with when you want to, if you get too close, you know what I'm saying, you can't. Before, without this filter and everything and the other mic filter on there, it was a little scratchy at first, if you will, or it didn't sound as clear. But I'm sure I'm checking the sound in here now, and it really sounds really, really good. So wanted to finish off the video like this. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And this is the Tonor T20. Really solid. See you in the next one. Take care.